Hello students, this is Debarchana Raut, lecturer in computer science. So we have been discussing about the topic, that is what is memory and what are the types of memory. We have discussed the primary memory and secondary memory, what are its characteristics. In our today's slide, we will be discussing about a hard disk. A hard disk is a secondary memory. It is basically used to store the data permanently. So, discussing about what is a hard disk, what are the parts of the hard disk, how these parts are basically used to store a data, to read a data, to write a data. So, let's start. A hard disk or HDD or a hard drive, it is also known as hard drive or fixed disk or hard disk drive. So basically we will call it as hard disk. It is an electromechanical data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and receive digital data using one or more rapidly rotating platters coated with magnetic material. So here we can see, first thing we need to know that data in hard disk are stored in digital form, that is with zeros and one, and both we have techniques to read and write these zeros and one on basically platters. We will know one of the part of the hard disk are platter, and next, what is platter? Platter is the base. When you have already seen the hard disk, you might have seen the hard disk. There are some set of platters in the hard disk which are basically magnetic coated material, which basically rotate so that data over it can be read or can be written. So the platters are paired with magnetic heads, usually arranged on a moving equator arm, which read and write data to the platter surface. The data is assessed in random access manner, meaning that the individual block data can be stored and retrieved in any order. Hard disk are basically non-volatile storage or permanently storage device, retaining and storing data even when the power is off. So let's see some of the parts of the hard disk which help us to store data and retrieve data. So here you can see one image of construction of major components of computer hard disk. This is the magnetic platter or magnetic coated platter where data are being stored digitally. Here we can see one spindle which helps to hold the set of platters and also helps them to rotate and help us to read and write the data. Next we have one equator arm. Here you can see it is an equator arm connected to a equator axis which helps. Okay, this equator arm with equator axis have a magnetic head on the tip of the arm. So this tip helps to read and write the data on the platter. We have a equator here, so it holds the equator axis and the arm. Besides that, we have a integrated connector, IDE connector. Next we have jumper block and power connector. So we will see what the parts of the hard disk basically work. How do each and every part work? The equator holds and moves the equator arm and the equator axis. In order to read and write information on the platter, it is most upgraded in the modern computers by the voice coins. Next, the read and write arm. Basically, this equator arm and equator axis holds this read and write arm, that is the tip of the equator arm. Here the head is the read and write head, which is held by the read and write arm. So read and write arm swings the head and write back and forth across the both sides of the platter. Read and write head has a tiny magnet on its end of read and write arm, which helps to read and write the data. The central spindle allows the platter to rotate at high speed. The magnetic platter stores information at both the sides of the platter. The plug connectors link the hard disk to the circuit board in the PC, and the circuit board controls all the different parts of the HDD and interfaces it with the computer. So here we have already discussed about read-write arm and read-write head. Next we will be seeing what is spindle. So here I have already told in this image, spindle is something that holds all the platters, and the motor, spindle motor at the end rotates the platter so that read and write head can read or write digitally informations all over this platter. Okay. Next we have plug connectors. Plug connectors basically used to give power connections from the circuit board in the PC, and the circuit board controls different parts of the hard disk so that it can provide the adequate power to each and every part and control its functioning. In our next slide, we will be discussing about the working principle of HDD, how do they work. Also, we will be solving some of the problems to read the capacity of the hard disk, or what is the capacity to read and write, to perform read and write operation on the hard disk. So this much for this slide. Thank you.